currently in the grocery store trying to find my wife, but also it took me 39 minutes to find parking because we have another storm on the way. So my wife literally had a very over emotional, stressful experience. They are pushing and shoving here in Harris Teeter. And it's never that serious when you're just trying to grocery shop. I'm going to show y'all a little bit of like what's going on, but
the fast lane out there, I don't want to be in.
I feel like folks are just scared for whatever reason. So babe, I need to get ground beef for my
So just some ramen reasons.
Okay.
So I got the steaks for the steak.
Yep.
Whatever.
Okay.
And some cilantro. So that's all over there.
Okay.
And then I got the sausage for the breakfast bowls. So I didn't know if you want. I know you want
for the vegetable soup. I'm gonna get frozen veggies.
Okay.
And then we can go to the Fresh Owl. I need to get juice for my greens, or for our greens. I drink juice with it. Okay. We have creamer, or do we need to get more creamer? I think it's only a half.
You want to get a creamer?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's
go. I will go.
Okay. The lines are out, but like.
Yeah, I know, but if you get a walk that way, then it's a walk back there.
Okay. Do you want to stay here?
I'm gonna go to the produce.
Okay. I need produce. I need stuff in produce too, but.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to produce.
Okay, go ahead. That's fine. Well, there's no more ground beef, so I guess I'll do ground turkey. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. People being in here coughing is not something I want on my radar. Okay, there's literally no creamer. That's right. Probably will just get Old Faithful because there's nothing. Grab an orange juice. That's just like a good old sandwich. So. There's absolutely no buggies, so my wife had to grab like the last buggy that she found, and we're dividing and conquering because she's going through a very emotional type of overstimulating experience. So trying to hurry. Okay, Red Baron, y'all got these pizzas for $2.99. Like, hell yeah. Your girl will always go for a Red Baron or a Bonza pizza. So come to mama if I don't drop all of this. I feel really bad, but I'm about to steal somebody's card. Honey, I just had to let this man go around, and I'm like, he's like, thank you. I'm like, it's a man's world. How dare I ever move around you? Okay, what are the vegetables? Yeah, I really hope I did not steal somebody's buggy. It was empty, and I was watching it for some time. So, hopefully I didn't. Y'all, midway in that thing. Okay, so far this is... Babe, we survived? Yeah, y'all, look.
This is crazy. We're parked in the garage.
Okay, I'm parked right here. People are literally parked in front. Y'all, the way I'm beat down from this trip to Harris Teeter is unreal. Please be blessed. Please, if you have not gotten your groceries by now, please give it to the Lord. Because, I mean no harm. This was a hell of an experience. And myself and my wife, it took me 39 minutes to find parking. And then when we went inside, the lines were down the aisle. People were pushing each other. People about to fight over groceries. It was just a mess. But kudos to the people that was catching happy hour, because at least they're going to be feeling pretty good and buzzed while they go grocery shopping. Y'all, please be safe. Another storm is on its way. I love y'all, and we'll check in later. Bye.